Hi, it's February 11th, 2025. Today is the 1 week anniversary from my rotator cuff surgery. Just to bring it up to speed, I had 3 tears in my rotator cuff, something wrong with my bicep, and 2 bone spurs as well, plus the bursa, which is the lubricating liquid gel sac in the shoulder, was also removed, which will grow back. Overall, feeling pretty decent. I know I said this on previous days. This is more of an inconvenience than it is painful right now. Although there are certain movements that I will make if I move too fast or do things that I shouldn't, I can certainly feel it. If I was asked to raise my right arm above my head, it's not happening right now. I don't have the strength, or maybe it's just the pain and guarding and causes me not to do it. Later today at 8 p.m., I actually go to my first physical therapy appointment. Not really sure what to expect from that since I really can't move it a whole lot yet. But I'm sure I'll learn a little something there. And then really looking forward to the doctor's appointment on Friday this week so I can see the pictures and really understand what all was repaired inside there. When I went into the surgery, we knew there was one complete tear in the rotator cuff as well as the bone spurs. And then the rest of it really came to light after he got in there and started digging around. So I do have 4 poke holes, which are covered with bandages. They're waterproof Band-Aids, so I can take showers and whatnot. There is no pain at all. I can push on them. I can feel maybe some bruising, but it's really not uncomfortable at all. There's no infection or anything, so that part has gone really well. The only pain I do feel is if I tense up my shoulder. I'm trying to lift my arm just a little bit. I can really feel it tighten up, and it's just painful all through the shoulder. And then, of course, when I take the sling off to take a shower or to take off this jacket, for instance, as my arm's hanging to my side, just the weight of it is a bit uncomfortable, not terribly painful, but if I try to lift it, it does hurt. Other than that, though, like I said, it's more of an inconvenience right now. So 1 week out from surgery, everything's gone really well. Last night I slept pretty decent, although it's still not ideal. I do use the wedge pillow in the bed with another pillow propped up so I can become comfortable. And it just took a long time. It felt like it took a long time to fall asleep last night, but I did sleep until 6:30 this morning, which was nice. So not really sure how many hours I got, maybe 6, but feeling pretty good today. So there you have it. This is the 1 week anniversary of surgery, and I will keep these updates going. See you later.